Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everybody's doing good out there. If you want to see how I created these nails, just check the video above. There will be a link to that. First, today I have a bunch of nail mail, SheModern package. This is just going to be a haul. I think I may do some art at the end, I'm not sure. I placed a small order with SheModern, and she just graciously, like she does all of her supporters, sent a bunch of stuff, and I just want to thank SheModern.com. Everyone, SheModern.com is always listed in my description box. I think from like the 4th or 5th video on, after I won a giveaway and I started using the products and buying them myself, I've kept that down there. Check it out. It's a small woman-owned business. It's been so amazing to watch her grow. And currently you buy 4 packs of liquids or glitters or whatever. The liquids, I believe, come with this. It's a random set of whatever tools they have in stock at the time. It's just different kinds of applicators, bottles, swatch rings that you can practice, your colors on, see what they look like. There's a mixing canvas in here. There's a makeup sponge in here, like I always say, to have one on hand to wipe your brushes with. There's little swabs and different ways to apply these liquids that we're just going to start learning how to do. And I haven't touched any of the liquids yet. I'm just dying to get my hands on them. Look at this. These are water paints with glitter in a liquid. These are all non-toxic. They shouldn't have any smell. I'll find out when I open it. And she sent me 2 glitters with it. Glitter purple lilac. It's glitter, but it's liquid. I haven't seen this. Okay, I believe I've got all my glitter ones pulled out of the bag. These are 5 milliliter bottles, and they are packed full. They might be more than 5 milliliter by the time. I know the glitters themselves are always packed full. On all these bottles, there's a child safety lock. See, it will not come off. You just press down and twist and they come off. And then this is going to be some kind of liquid glitter. I really don't have no idea what this is going to be. I'm just getting one of my old mixing canvases out and just want to test what it looks like. Oh, that's so gorgeous. And these air dry just like nail polish, but there's absolutely no odor to it whatsoever. So anybody that gets migraines from nail polishes or chemicals, these are all water-based. And I'm going to test it, and I'll put it down in the description, perhaps on the screen, if this washes off after it dries. So that would mean you could put it on your nails, and if you don't like it, you just wash your hands and redo before you top coat. And these can be top coated with regular nail polish or gel polish. They've expanded to where the non-gel users will have a lot of products too. This is pink salmon, ocean blue, no, blue ocean. Oops, I have actually 2 lilacs. We'll just skip that one for now. White sparkle. Now this one I want to know if it's white or if it's clear. So we'll just do a little demo right here. Let's see, I didn't even shake this or anything. It's pretty well dispersed. And it does appear to be white. I have one of my nail arts that I could redo with these and have glitter in them. Glitter beige orange. I guess I should just put a little bit out for a sample for every color. Let's do that. Go back. Here's back to the ocean. Blue ocean. In case I think I have 2 blues in here. That's gorgeous. Oh, and this is the pink salmon. Blue sapphire. Ooh, doesn't that name just call it? I'll put it next to this blue. Ooh, pretty, pretty, pretty. And this one is, I'm sorry, silver bright. So let's see how it compares to the white. Yeah, there's a difference. I'll pull it over so you can see. This has a lot more silver in it. I don't know if it's gonna pull up on the camera. Oh, they're just all calling my name. So these are the glitter colors that I have. This is yellow lemon. I'm just gonna do a little swatch right here. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love metallics. This one is red rose. These are all water-based paints as well. Oh, there's not a smidgen of any chemical odors to them whatsoever. This one is pink fuchsia, still from the Pro collection. You can get, say, one glitter, one pearl, one of something else. You can mix and match your packs now. And this is green apple from the Pearl. Ooh, that's a nice bright green. Look at that. Ooh. So these are the glitters. These are the 4 pearls that I have. I also have pastel and jelly sitting here. This is the so they came like this, so I'm assuming they're the pastel collection. Then there's 2 that's called pure. Let's start with the 2 called pastel. This is pastel. Pink rose is the color. Let's put it right here. Whoops. So that's like a matte pink. That's cool. So you don't have to use a single nail polish at all if you didn't want to. Oh, I have the nails I wore last Easter. These would have worked perfect with. Now this one did have a little bit color, needed to be mixed. Not a problem. Oh, those are pretty. That would be great for reverse stamping with. I have never tried that yet, but polishes, this one's called Pure Black Swan. Oh my goodness, that is a rich black. Look how rich. It's darker than my typing on my paper. That is a rich, definitely pure black. Oh, wow. Pure white snow. You can also dry them onto the little tops. I'm probably going to have to do that so I can remember. There's so many new products. I can't remember which one's which one looks like what. But the pure and the pastel have the pink lid. The pearl had the yellow lid. The glitter, green lid. GG, glitter green. Now onto what I've seen many people play with. I was dying to get my hands on these. I only have a couple jelly polishes. I have jelly gel polishes, salmon, and orange apricot. See how jelly looks? Yep. Green forest, orange apricot. Ooh, that's so yummy. It looks like juice. Don't drink these. Pink berry. Ooh. Pink salmon. Ooh. Ooh. It looks a lot like another nail art that I did. I had a pink gel like that. That video up above. I'm going to go ahead and link all my SheModern playlists above. Okay, this is a very special one. When SheModern products came out, they were mostly intended to be used with gel polish, and people were having to put on water-based top coats. You had to use something water-based over the foils. And these are the foils at their store. You put this over top of the foil, let it dry, and then you can put your regular nail polish right over it, your top coat. Otherwise, even with foils like I have on here, the hollow foils, you know, that come in a roll or little, I don't have any right here, yeah, right here. Any traditional foils like this, you put this over top, then you can wear regular nail polish top coat and it won't damage the hollowness of it. I love that. It's an awesome product. I'm going to test it out. I do have regular top coat somewhere around here. And these are the 2 glues. This one, they both air dried to clear. This is a light tack and a medium tack. And I'm gonna give them a whiff. I'm gonna give this a whiff too. This one only if you really stick your nose up to it. Can you smell it? And I'm very, very sensitive to smells. This is 2 milliliters. Well, we're gonna test to see if it dries clear. I wiped off the rim of my bottle so it doesn't glue shut. And this one is medium tack. Again, no offensive odors. Nothing, it doesn't smell like anything really to me. Put this aside, let it dry. I'm gonna open these up real quick. Here's the blue tinsel. Look how fine that is. Oh, I want to use that so bad. Here's the hollow mix silver. You can see how small that still is. It's shining every color. It is very reflective. You like that in your hollows. This one is mixed clear mirror. See, it seems to have it definitely has some silver in it. I believe maybe some white and clear. You know, like fairy dust. Like the sugar and nail glitters, just with some bigger silvers. There's one more finer glitter in here. I've seen many, many more shapes and colors on the website and other people's videos. Look at this. Look at it kind of matches my tool. Oh, that's so stunning. I don't know what I'm gonna want to use first. These I'm like ready for Christmas. These are like my Christmas colors. I always like silver and gold, but I like green and red at Christmas too. Look at that. Oh, it's just the shine to them. And the last one is, I guess it's Holo Jumbo silver and green. This is Holo Jumbo golden red. So it's golden and red. You do some cool glitter placements with these as well. And yeah, the glue's dry and clear. As thick as I put it on here. It's still a little bit wet. Had to go touch it. I put it on rather thick. So you do want to apply these pretty thin. So I'm gonna have to learn how to do that. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm overwhelmed. What turned into a tiny purchase with SheModern is a huge mega haul. I thank you to I would like to send my sincerest thanks to the SheModern company. Please go visit SheModern.com. They have some gorgeous items. And I don't say that because I'm sent them for free a lot of times. I say that because I believe that. You won't see me use products that I don't like. And as I go along, I don't know yet if these are great products. They look great. They don't have any odors to them. I love that. Thank you everyone for being here with me today. I appreciate every single minute you watch in my videos. I appreciate every comment. I really, really do. Have a great day, everyone. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.